Hey guys, welcome back to my second video. Yeah, you remember from my last video, I told you I'll be doing a series of videos of how I'll be decorating my house. So this is the second video, and on today's video, we are creating, or we are going to make floating shelves using these three pieces of wood and simply a rope. Stay tuned and let's get into this video. And so we are going to hang the shelves on these nails. Actually, I was supposed to use hooks, but unfortunately I could not get hooks that could support these pieces of wood, so I opted for these nails. And yeah, let's get into this video. And so on this video, the materials that we are going to use are simply these three pieces of wood, and we are going to use a rope. And so for the pieces of wood, I went to a carpenter and got this wood from the carpenter, then painted the woods with white paint, then made holes on the four sides. As you can see, we have holes. And so let's get onto this video. Kindly subscribe down below if you've not subscribed. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below on what you think about this video, and I'll be showing you the whole process, how we did from the first to the last. And I think the video is self-explanatory, so keep watching till the end and I'll be showing you the whole process from the first to the last. Enjoy.
Second night I've dreamt.
Moving to the second type of decorations, here I'm having the printable wall decorations, and as you can see, I've already printed the decorations that I'm going to use. And so stay tuned and let's get into this video. I'll be taking you through the whole process from the first to the last. Yeah, and so on this decoration, I'm going to use simply cardboard and transparent paper only, and black tape only, nothing else. So, and let's get onto this video. Kindly subscribe down below if you've not subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and share the video if you find it useful. And that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. As you can see, this is the outcome of the wall decorations. I added some butterflies to spice the look up, and it's so easy. You can try this at home in your houses. Yeah, and tag me on your decorations. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe down below if you've not subscribed. Like this video, and you can share it with your friends if you find it useful. Let's meet on my next video. Bye.